In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Sheets not loading. If you are stuck on a still loading screen or a blank grid that never appears, follow along and we'll walk through reliable fixes. Starting with quick checks and moving to browser-specific solutions. First, give the page a proper refresh that bypasses your local cache. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus F5. On a Mac, use Command plus Shift plus R. This forces your browser to fetch a clean copy of the page instead of reusing potentially corrupted files stored locally. Next, confirm your internet connection is solid. Open another website to make sure it loads promptly. If things feel sluggish, try moving closer to your router or switching to a more stable network. A weak or intermittent connection is a common reason Google Sheets get stuck trying to load. If that didn't do it, let's fix your browser. Start by clearing your cache and cookies, which is the most common solution for loading issues. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Then clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time, and check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Clear the data, then completely close and reopen the browser. Keep in mind this may sign you out of websites, so have your login details handy. Now try opening Sheets in an incognito window. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or Linux, or open a new incognito window from the menu. If Google Sheets loads correctly here, that points to a browser extension causing the problem. To find the culprit, disable your extensions. Turn them all off, especially any ad blockers or script blockers. Then reload your sheet. If it works, re-enable your extensions one at a time, testing as you go until you identify the one that breaks Sheets. If you are still stuck, sign out of your Google account and sign back in. This refreshes your authentication and can resolve permission or token. Related loading errors. When the issue affects only a specific file, try making a copy. In Google Drive, right-click the spreadsheet and select Make a Copy. Open the new copy. It often loads when the original remains stuck, because it regenerates the file's metadata. Finally, toggle offline access. In Google Drive settings, uncheck the offline sync option, save, then turn it back on. This can clear a sync conflict that blocks the online version from loading. Work through these steps in order, and you should have Sheets back up and running. Thanks for watching.